All right, coming back on the second iteration, actually for the porch post. Oh, so here behind me, remember I dug out the bottom of the porch post because there was rotted wood there. Added wood restore to it. So what that actually does is it takes the soft fibers, actually hardens that up, so it can actually have more strength to it. And what I'm actually doing right now is I'm working with the Kwikwood again, right here. Worked with that on the rear rafter a day or two ago, but actually doing that to the front porch post. Actually had to grab a lot more. I grabbed 6 vials, and that was probably maybe a good big handful of the Kwikwood, but I needed more, so I actually went out and grabbed 6 more. So that should be enough to fill everything up. I'm not anticipating any issues with that, but this should shore up everything as far as the porch posts. And once we actually have that in place, it should harden within probably about an hour or so. Then we can sand it down and paint it. So looking forward to knocking that out. All right, so just added the Kwikwood to either side of this front porch post. And I just had to wait for it to dry. Beautiful thing, as it cures, or it dries in about 25-30 minutes, fully cures in about an hour, which is great because it gets real thick and I was able to get in all of the crevices and the holes and everything. So once that actually dries, sand that up, paint it, that's it. So on to the next project. Bye.